Hello and welcome again as Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about NEE. The stock was showing incredible decline and finishing at 52.15 with some sign of lower shadow here indicating possible beginning of the volatility. And the question is how to trade here. Well, first of all, what is important to note that we saw a clear decline of bounce from this channel. So we were in this channel. Here we clearly see that the price touched the top of the channel, and instead of piercing further, it was declined, and we have piercing and formation actually not really of a channel but of the wave, and we still need to see where the support lines will be. From MACD point of view, what will be forming here is actually probably a couple of waves or extended wave with the shoulder, very similar to formation that was observed here. You see with the shoulder formation, and it means that we need to wait before this shoulder will be formed exactly as it was formed here. Why is it important? Because the shoulder formation will indicate you at least the first support line, so you can estimate what will be overall channel descending here. And the same is here. Well, of course, you can continue this line lower and say that these would be the levels, but it's too extreme in this case. So we need to see this level when the volatility will form a new support, and only then we can think further of how to trade here. Because for now, what we observe, it's a long-term skewed, let's say, decline. How skewed it would be, well, this will be the first point. Is it only already indication of anchoring here that we observe with this shadow? It's a bit difficult to say. We need to observe next couple of trading sessions. For now, I would wait, but do not wait too long, because this would be very interesting. We should return and revise this again. This is very interesting situation when it's not the price level related, but more indicator related trading, and indicators that will say that we are about to have return would be when the moving average 20, the green line here, will finish its descending. This should take at least a couple of weeks, and then it will start forming, let's say, flattening, and there will be a clear trading history of the price. So now let's actually draw it green again, and then we will draw our price. So this will be our moving average 20. Difficult to say on time scale, and the price should behave like this. It should go lower, bounce back. Don't be triggered by this. It will not pierce higher, might slightly though. It will go lower again, and then it will be time to buy, because it might be skewed, it might be a little bit higher than this low, it doesn't matter. So when anyway in vicinity you can buy, and then it should be real bounce back. So we need to wait for these two occasions, for this one and for this one, and then we can understand what's the further trade is here. Actually very similar to what was observed here. You see decline, first touch, decline, and then pierce through, but okay, of course it didn't go higher but went lower. Those who exited at the top of the channel won this trade. I always advise doing this. The same here, you see flattening of moving average 20, and the price exactly goes touch, decline, and when it's really flat, through pierce through. And again, I would never play on higher pierce through, just when it's touched the resist level, exit, then it's a kind of guaranteed profit. And moving average 50 in this way, the blue line actually should not show any specific behavior, it should just go like this. So whenever you see this formation appearing similar to this situation and similar to this situation, that would be exactly sign to enter, hold, and exit at the profit at the moving average 50. So price target is moving average 50, but only after we observe this pattern. With this being said, that's actually it for NEE. If you like this way of technical analysis, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. See you at other episodes of Stocks Advisor.